Nominet have done a fantastic job with the .wales, .cymru domain names. We've seen so many businesses adapt their websites to .wales, .cymru, including the Welsh Government. What's noticeable in the 21st century is that we go both global and local in our outlook, and offering .wales and .cymru as a domain name offers the opportunity to be able to promote something very distinctive but on a global platform.
Mae rhyw 19,000 o gwmnioedd a sefydliadau a unigolion wedi mabwysiadu parth.cymru a .wales sy'n nifer aruthrol, a o ran gwledydd yn Ewrop, Cymru yw'r un sydd wedi bod fwyaf llwyddiannus dros y flwyddyn ddiwetha yma.
It's an opportunity for businesses to celebrate their Welsh provenance, their Welsh identity, particularly when they're accessing markets, whether it's internally in Wales or internationally, in this ability to shout about what you have to offer. For individuals, it's to celebrate the very fact we're Welsh, where we come from, our heritage, our language, our culture.
Dwi'n credu bod o yn amlinellu yn Cymreigdod ni, a dwi'n credu bod pobl wedi ffeindio fo'n hawdd iawn i'n ffeindio ni, felly oedd o'n gwneud synnwyr perffaith i ni.
It's really important for us to have the Welsh .wales and .cymru domain names for our company because we're Welsh and we're really proud of working in Wales. We just use .cymru and .wales now because we think they're really important for our identity.
Mae'r parthau yn bwysig i'r busnes. Mae'n helpu dangos bod y busnes yn gweithio drwy'r gyfrwng y Gymraeg ac yn hapus i bloedio'r ffaith bod ni'n gweithio yn y Gymraeg hefyd.
We decided to register a .wales domain name because we thought it was great for the brand, great for our identity as a business based in Wales and also with an international reach, and we were very happy therefore to get involved with the project.
Da ni ddim ond wneud yn gwaith yng Nghymru, da ni dros y byd. A felly mae'n bwysig bod pobl yn medru'n darganfod ni, ond hefyd bod nhw'n deall bod ni o Gymru, .wales.
The whole mission is to be a hyperlocal website and business. So I decided to register the .wales because it kind of makes it stick in their mind, so that's an advantage. I think for anybody who is based in Wales, with a target market based in Wales, would benefit.
When you think of the fact that we've qualified for the European Championships now this summer in France, there are 24 countries including ourselves. So it gives us a massive reach. People can see that we're not just a small part of England, that we are our own identity. And I think it extends the appeal of Wales and Welshness and shows that we are a modern, young, vibrant country.
Wel, oedd parth.com gyda swyddfa eisoes, ond o'n i anfachu ar y cyfle i gael parth.cymru a .wales fel rhan o ymgyrch Nominet.
Y ffordd da ni wedi sefydlu'r gwefan bellach ydy fod .cymru yn arwain at yr tudalen Cymraeg a .wales yn arwain at y tudalen Saesneg. Yn y modd yna, mae unigolion yn gallu canfod y wybodaeth maen nhw isio, yn yr iaith maen nhw isio.
Cwmni Cymreig sy'n gweithredol am gan fwyaf yng Nghymru yw swyddfa, felly mae'n bwysig adlewyrchu hwnna yn ein presenoldeb digidol masnachol hefyd.
Fel rhan o'r swydd, dwi'n adeiladu llawer o wefannau ac yn bersonol sefydlu parthau.cymru a .wales, yr un mor hawdd a sefydlu parth.com.
We found the setup process very smooth and very easy actually. We were able to press the buttons on the launch date very smoothly.
Mae'r cyfeiriad newydd wedi gwneud yn haws i cwsmeriad ffindo ni ar-lein. Oedd y wefan bach da fi o'r blaen a oedd neb yn gallu ffindio ni, ond gyda hwn mae pawb yn gallu gweld e'n hawdd iawn.
We've increased visitor figures to the site, and this can be attributed to the .wales, .cymru move, and also we've seen an increase in the findability of the website as well.
Da ni wedi cael bron i 250,000 o ymweliadau unigol gwahanol, a hefyd da ni wedi cael bron i 4,000,000 o dudalennau wedi cael ei darllen ar y we ers i ni gymryd y parth yma.
We're looking now at going elsewhere outside of Wales, and we're still going to use .cymru, .wales as our domain extensions as well. So we're proud to be Welsh wherever we are. We'd encourage others to use the .cymru and .wales domain names. And the reason is I think it's good for business.
Over 18,000 domain names already been sold. It's a great achievement so far, but it is a milestone. We're 1 year in and we're celebrating that 1 year, but there's still some way to go. And we're very keen to progress even further with the success we've already enjoyed.